Hi, my name is Patrick Biolsi. I work with Yamaha Motor Corporation. We're here to talk about the GYTR accessory turbo for the YXZ1000R. It fits the manual and the sport shift. What we're really excited about is how smooth and manageable this turbo kit is, but it also is amazingly exciting. It really maintains the stock power character, but is almost supersized in a way. One of the really cool things about this turbo kit is water cooled, and it's a ball bearing type turbo. It's a Garrett turbo system that has been designed by Yamaha, by our GYTR accessory group, and it really does put more power to the rear wheels than any other OE vehicle out there, which is pretty exciting, and again, it's a lot of fun to drive. We found that a lot of our YXZ customers wanted more acceleration, and we found that they wanted a turbo, so that was one of the key ways we gave it to them. There was also a YXZ customer who wanted more of a closed course style engine power kit, and we also offer that through our GYTR accessory group as well. But this turbo was almost a completely different direction. It's really more of a recreation focused kit. You of course can use it for racing, but it really was a recreation focused kit. It's just more fun to drive, but again, more exciting. So we have both directions available from our GYTR accessory group. One thing you'll notice again, the steeper and deeper the terrain is, the more you're gonna see a benefit whether you're a novice or an expert of the turbo kit itself. It just makes it so much easier. You can carry a gear taller almost everywhere. So it's just more fun to drive, but it's actually easier to drive in a lot of ways. No matter what skill level you are, it's not just for an expert. With this accessory turbo kit, a lot of people wonder about their warranty. This kit does not void your warranty in any way, shape, or form. We tested this turbo kit to meet or exceed Yamaha standards. People can have total confidence when putting this kit on their vehicle.